This is Marina Matos, and this video is being dedicated to MCM Beauty Video Tutorials blog. Today I'll be demonstrating some good ways to keep your hair conditioned during the summer and when it's that hot, dry weather, and especially if you're going to the beach a lot and being in a pool, your hair gets to get very dry, especially during the summer. So a very good way of keeping conditioned, I know this might sound kind of crazy, but it's by putting mayonnaise to your hair. I know this sounds disgusting, and I know it doesn't smell very pleasant, but mayonnaise has a lot of proteins in it, and it also contains very good oils that will keep your hair moist, and will keep your hair just nice and soft and healthy during the summer. For all you vegans out there, you might not want to use mayonnaise, so you can use things like coconut oil. You may want to add, if that's of your taste, of putting egg whites into your mayonnaise, and all you need is half a cup of mayonnaise, really, for at least my hair, and my hair is this long. If it's longer than that, you might need a little more. If it's shorter than this, you might need a little less. But there are some down parts also to putting mayonnaise in your hair. Not only it smells bad, and it smells like an egg salad, but it also makes your hair very greasy. So if you have naturally greasy and oily hair, you might not want to put it in your hair. And when washing your hair with that, you might want to wash it once or twice to totally take the grease off, you know. So there are some down parts, but there are also good parts. I would suggest you do this before a school night for all you girls out there, which I'm doing, but I've been doing this for my hair for the past year or so, and my hair is fine. But I would suggest doing this on a school night. I would suggest first trying it out on Saturday and Sunday. So if you don't like it, you can always wash your hair again. So here I'm going to be demonstrating right now. My hair, I haven't washed it for the past 2 days, so it's kind of oily right now. So I'm going to put this in my hair while it's dirty.
Your voice upon the wind is everything.
I'm going to wait for 15 to 20 minutes. Don't leave it out for too much, like more than 20 minutes, because then your hair is really going to get greasy. And I'm going to hit the shower, and I'll show you guys how it looks afterwards. Hi guys, so this is the finishing results. My hair is not oily at all, and it's nice and smooth. And I didn't blow dry my hair, I just let it naturally dry, then I curled it. So here's the finishing results.